These are the steps in applying for assessment and certification. For new applicant, step 1, go to any Tesda accredited assessment centers, Tesda district or provincial office near your location, and apply for assessment. Step 2, submit the following documentary requirements. That is 1 to 3. Step 3, pay the assessment fee at the assessment center, cashier, and get official receipt and admission slip. Step 4, be present at the scheduled date and assigned venue of assessment indicated in the admission slip. Step 5, get the cars at the assessment center. Step 6, assessment passers must apply for certification at the Tesda District Provincial Office where the assessment center venue is under jurisdiction. Step 7, assessment passers can claim their national certificate, certificate of competency 7 working days after application for the issuance of COC and NC. Important things to remember. That is 1 to 3. For renewal and revalidation, step 1. Go to Tesda district or provincial issuing office of your present certificate and apply for renewal. Step 2. Submit the following documentary requirements. Step 3. Pay the renewal fee at the assessment center cashier and get the official receipt. Step 4. Claim your NC COC on the scheduled date given by Tesda issuing office. Replacement for damage, lost, and changes in the national certificate and COC. Lost NC COC. Step 1. Go to the Tesda issuing office of your NC COC and apply for replacement. Step 2. Submit the following documentary requirements. Step 3. Claim your NC COC on the scheduled date given by Tesda issuing office. For damage NC and COC, step 1. Go to the Tesda issuing office of your NC COC and apply for replacement. Step 2. Submit the following documentary requirements. Step 3. Claim your NC COC on the scheduled date given by the Tesda issuing office. For Certificate of Authentication and Verification, or COV, for Tesda issued Certificate of Competency, or COC. Step 1. Go to the Tesda issuing office of your NC COC and apply for Certificate of Authentication and Verification. Step 2. Submit the following documentary requirements. Step 3. Pay the authentication fee, 50 pesos, to the cashier and get the official receipt. Step 4. Present official receipt to the Tesda issuing office for COV. Step 5. Get the COV document from the Tesda office.